Hello everybody and welcome to my 83rd VBA 2010 tutorial. This tutorial is going to show you how to use the between keyword in your SQL statements. So the between keyword just lets you draw out a set of records that are between two pieces of information. So if I open up my sample database and in my sales table, let's just say I want to bring through all the records that have a value between 1 and 4. So it should bring through these two records. So in our code, we're going to manipulate the sales date. So let's remove all this bit. And we put in here, we put where, and then we still put our field that we want. So I'm going to put in sale underscore quantity. So where sale underscore quantity, and then instead of writing equals we put between. Notice how it's in capitals because it's an SQL keyword, and then we put in our two values that we want it to be between. So I want it between 1 and 4, and so if we go back into our sheet and just delete the old entries and come back in here and press play, and you'll notice it's bringing through two entries for me. It's bringing through the sale where we have a quantity of 1 and the one we have 2, but not the one with the quantity of 5. Notice how it brings through the 1. It's inclusive of both the beginning and the end parameters. So this will bring through any records that are equal to 1 and also any records that are equal to 4. Along with any of the values in between as well. We can also, if we want to swap it around, we can put not between, and if I get rid of these and press play in here, so play, and it's just going to bring through the one with 5. So a simple put in and not in will just make it so that instead of being between it, you're going to take the outside parameters of it. You can also use it for dates in the same way that you have done before, and you can also use it quite usefully for letters, so we can select all of them between two, starting with 2 letters. So let's say we've got in here, let's just add in another record, so let's just copy this one but put in a different name, and let's put Charlie. So let's say we want to bring through everyone with a name that starts with A through to D. Then we can put where customer underscore ID is between, and then you just put in your letters, so A and they should be single apostrophes, A and D, and let's press play on this, and it's going to overwrite in my sheet with all the Bruce entries and the Charlie entry, but not the Omar entry because that doesn't fall between A and D. And then similarly again we can just use the not between, and this is just going to bring through the Omar record. So that's it for using between in your SQL statements. And in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to use order by to filter your results from your query back in a particular order. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you soon.